Vernice took advantage of the school's wellness break to travel to Baguio. She also considered it an opportunity to rest and take a vacation, as the work of a teacher is naturally busy and demanding. Although she was a chance passenger, Vernice was still able to buy a ticket right away.
Kasi may bakasyon kami ng isang linggo din para mas madaling umuwi.
Di ba kayo nahirapan sa pagpunta dito sa terminal?
Hindi naman.
Pagbili po ng ticket?
Hindi din.
This All Souls Day, she plans to visit the graves of her late grandparents and uncle. Meanwhile, Elisa's family chose to spend the Undas break in Metro Manila. They traveled all the way from Isabela and left early to avoid the expected influx of passengers and heavy traffic along major roads.
Mas magandang maaga kasi walang problema sa siksikan sa bus.
In Cubao, Quezon City, the largest bus company is busy with preparations for the holiday. More than 10,000 passengers are expected from October 29 to 31 for the Undas Rush.
Number one is Baguio. Mataas na ang volume na. Then Zambales. Sa Cubao, meron tayong biyaheng Pangasinan. Pero ang pinaka-influx talaga, Baguio and Zambales.
The company assures that there are enough buses to accommodate the high volume of travelers. They also made sure that all vehicles are roadworthy and that drivers are in good condition.
Sa mga units naman namin, every time na dumarating is open naman namin. Dadaan muna sa PDI section for inspection. Yung driver natin, sapat yung tulog, pahinga.
They remind passengers to plan their trips ahead and follow safety guidelines.
Dapat mag-book na mas maaga habang marami pa mga bakante slots. No? Then huwag kalimutan magdala ng mga OTC na mga gamot. Kailangan yan. At siya mga tubig, pagkain. Kasi hindi natin alam yung flow ng traffic sa daan.
Meanwhile, personnel from the Land Transportation Office also conducted inspections as part of Oplan Biyaheng Ayos Undas 2025. They checked the licenses of drivers and conductors, as well as the registration of buses to ensure the safety of passengers. This is Sharm Zispina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.